Welcome to Green Valley International Installation and Operation Tutorial channel. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to install the backpack kit for the LiGrip O2. For equipment installation, first unfold the backpack kit. Extend the support legs on both sides of the base and place the kit securely on a stable surface. Next, raise the folding pole until it is fully upright and you hear a click, indicating that it has locked into position. Then tighten the locking knob on the folding pole to secure it. Next, install the battery. Open the battery locking lever on the back, slide the battery into the battery compartment along the guide rail, and close the locking lever to secure it. The device supports dual battery power. Install the second battery using the same procedure. Next, install the main unit. Mount the main unit onto the interface at the top of the folding pole, close the locking lever to secure it, and tighten the mounting knob to complete the installation. After installation, the device is ready for data collection. Keep the device still during initialization to ensure data quality. To remove the equipment, loosen the mounting knob, open the locking lever, then press the release button and slide out the main unit. Next, open the battery locking lever on the back. Press the safety release button and remove both batteries one by one. Then, loosen the locking knob behind the folding pole, release the folding pole latch, and fold the pole downward. Finally, lift the release levers on both support legs of the base. Fold the support legs and complete the disassembly and storage of the backpack kit.